Good morning everyone and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. On Thursday, US markets closed below the important levels and they were down throughout the day. It was mainly because of the PPI number which was much above the expectations, which can again lead to keep interest rate pause for a longer time. So while looking at the global macros, we are of the view that they are not favorable. We can expect further more weakness. 10-year bond yield now jumped to the levels of 4.28, 4.29 from the levels of 4.15. It was at 4.05 some few days back. So it's a substantial jump that we are seeing in the 10-year bond yield, which is not good. Crude is also at $85 per barrel and the dollar index is again back to 103.5. So the overall setup from the global markets is not positive. For our markets, it is showing some 120-125 points lower opening. So in that case, we may see the levels of 22,000 on the Nifty at the opening. Below that, the chances of hitting 21,900, 950 would turn bright. But as the yesterday's pullback was much stronger than the expectations, we may see some buying support around 21,900. But in case if it breaks to that, then we can expect sharp weakness, and in that case the Nifty may fall to the levels of 21,700 with a major support at 21,800. On the higher side, as we mentioned, 22,200 going to act as biggest hurdle zone for the market. From there we saw reversal activity in yesterday's trading session. So today, in case if we see the market is holding comfortably above the levels of 21,900, and if there is any bullish formation, then certainly we should look for taking some buying view with a stop loss at 21,900. And below 21,900, one can look for taking some short positions with a stop loss at 22,000. So that's the strategy on Nifty. If we go through with the Bank Nifty, then there also we saw some weakness. It was down. We can expect further more weakness up to 46,500, and in the worst case scenario 46,150, 200. So up to those levels the Bank Nifty can fall. On the higher side 47,000, 47,250 going to act as resistance. Above 47,250 we are expecting bullishness in the market and in the Bank Nifty. Technology stocks did well in yesterday's trading sessions, but today we need to see that how actually they performs, because the jump in the bond yield and global macros, I think again IT stocks will remain under some pressure. But in case if we see further more activity in all the IT companies, then TCS looks good along with Infosys. That's all from my side. With this, I'm ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening me. Have a great day to all of you.